Hello everyone, this is Green from the One Studio. Today, let me introduce one of our best-selling products for you guys. A high-power 200 Fresnel LED Fresnel light, 3200K or 5600K optional CCT. And you can also have a 400-watt bi-color version, adjustable color temperature from 3000 to 6000K, high CRI over 95. Firstly, let's have a look at its appearance. A fantastic provide housing design with patterned by the One Studio. The big angle can be manually adjustable between 15 degrees to 50 degrees. Now, let me show you the zoom effect. Rotating floor bundle included, easy to install and use, producing an even line feel and a clean shadow.